Everybody, from Theme Park HD, we're here in Clermont, Florida, about 35 minutes from the Magic Kingdom, checking out this awesome addition to the park called Clermont Champion Splash Park. Champion Splash Park isn't brand new, but it's pretty much brand new, and it's an awesome place for kids and families to enjoy, beat some summer heat here in Florida without going to the water park. It is completely free for city residents and anybody that wants to stop by. And there's shade, there's a beautiful lake, awesome sandy beach, and this beautiful splash play center. There's a bunch of buckets for kids to play with, interactive water cannons, and it's very clean and a safe place for kids to have fun, all while parent supervision. Here are the rules of the park right here. And right behind you have this absolutely stunning beach area.